Check engine light on and code P0140 popped up. Let's break it down in simple terms, what it means, how it affects your car, and how to fix it fast. What is P0140? P0140 means, O2 sensor no activity detected, bank 1, sensor 2. This refers to the oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter on the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. This sensor helps the ECU monitor how well your catalytic converter is working. If it shows no voltage activity, it triggers this code. Normally, this downstream sensor sends a steady signal once the engine warms up. If the sensor stops responding, stays flat, or is stuck at 1 voltage, the computer thinks it's dead. And that's exactly what P0140 is telling you, no response from the rear O2 sensor. Symptoms you might experience: check engine light, slight drop in fuel efficiency, failed emissions test. In rare cases, a sulfur smell or poor performance. But often? No obvious symptoms, just that engine light. Common causes. The most likely causes of P0140 are: a faulty oxygen sensor, broken or corroded wiring, water intrusion in connectors, a bad ground or open circuit, and sometimes, a software issue or faulty ECU, rare. Here's how to troubleshoot. Inspect the sensor's wiring and connector, look for corrosion, broken pins, or heat damage. Use a multimeter or scan tool to check voltage output while the engine runs. If there's no signal and power/ground are present, replace the sensor. Clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and test drive the car. Most of the time, a new downstream sensor solves the problem. P0140 won't stall your engine, but it does affect emissions, and might cause problems down the line if ignored. Replacing that sensor is quick, affordable, and keeps your engine running clean. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY code explanations, and drop a comment below if you want us to cover another DTC.